Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want visitors to find you on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn or YouTube, adding social media links in GoDaddy website builder is quick in 2026. Once you know the two places where social links or can live. Okay, so most issues come from adding links in the wrong spot, using incorrect URLs or forgetting to publish. So we will avoid all of that. So in the step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add social media links to GoDaddy website builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, of course, you have to log into your GoDaddy account. Okay, go to your or go to website section here. Tap it. Now find your website. So we have here a website. Tap edit website, this one. So after tapping here, you will find or you will have a picture or a page, like this. Okay, so you must be inside the editor to add or edit social links. Okay, so now choose where to add social media links. Okay, so GoDaddy lets you add social links in two main places. Like site-wide social icons or social links section. Okay, so in the editor, go to settings. Okay, open social or social media, and you will see a list of platforms. Okay, so paste your full profile URL, for example, let's say like this. This is just an example. Okay, so the link with your username and then done. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.